Hi everybody and welcome to our daily agenda from Monday, October 18th. For today, we are working on some Quill. We are going to be doing some vocabulary predictions, doing some quick vocab for theme, and we are going to call it good. Pretty easy day, you guys. Alright, so I had you guys do your vocabulary predictions for Rikki Tikki Tavi. I know most of us have read Rikki Tikki Tavi, so we're really going to be looking at theme, and we're going to be looking at some literary elements under a second read for this story. Let me show you guys where to access your vocabulary predictions. You're going to go to classwork, under classwork, vocabulary predictions. You're going to go Rikki Tikki Tavi, vocabulary predictions. You are going to open it up, and here they are, okay? Same as last time, what do you think consolation means? Consolation might mean solation. Sounds kind of sad, so maybe with sadness of some kind. What it actually means, and then you look it up on Google, search it, consolation, definition. Consolation means the comfort received by a person after a loss or disappointment. Similar definitions are a person or thing providing comfort to a person who has suffered, okay? So you're going to go back to your vocab prediction. You're going to put consolation actually means with comfort. Comfort to someone who has lost something, okay? And you're going to do that for all of them. At the end, you are going to complete 5 sentences, or you're going to write 5 complete sentences using these terms. So, I consoled my brother after he lost his soccer match. Okay? So, for example, you're a consoling member. You're providing comfort to someone after they've lost something. So, you consoled, you comforted them after they lost their soccer match. So that's how you guys are going to do your vocab predictions. You guys already know how to do flowcab. You're just going to go right here under themes and literature. You're going to open it up. Make sure you are signing in with Google. Mr. Nellis does not have that. But once you do sign in with Google, you'll be able to watch the video, go on to vocab cards, the vocab game, the read and respond, and the quiz. The lyric lab is not mandatory. Neither is a video. We watched it together in class and discussed it. Alright, that is our Monday. Pretty easy day. As always, if you guys have any questions, again, do Sunday. If you have any questions, please feel reach out to me before or after school, and I'll see you guys in class. Bye.